Roedd Penrhyw Ceiber o'r drydedd haen yn croesawu mawrion yr uwch gyngrair y Fflint i'r cymoedd Brynhawn Sadwrn. Daeth yr ymwelwyr yn agos i achub y blaen wedi 10 munud, ond Brandon Hill yn gwneud yn gampus i'w chadw hi'n ddi-sgôr. Daeth y Fflint yn agos unwaith eto cwpl o funudau'n ddiweddarach. Ben Mar yn ergydio, ond y golwr Daniel Field yn ymestyn yn dda i gadw'r gêm yn gyfartal. Os oedd yr arbediad blaenorol yn dda, roedd hwn yn arbennig. Y golwr Field unwaith eto yn achub i dîm ac yn nadu Mar rhag sgorio. Flic hyfryd gan Alex Jones rhoi Jack Kenny drwodd 1 yn erbyn 1, ond y dyn ei hun, Daniel Field yn camu'r adwy unwaith eto. Parhaol dechrau rhwystredig y Fflint i'r gêm wrth i brif sgoriwr uwch gyngrair Cymru Mike Wild fethu canfod cefn yr hwyd o groesiad Jack Kenny. Fyddach chi wedi'r rhoi'ch morgais ar Mike Wild i sgorio hon. Gwaith gwych gan Jake Phillips i lawr yr asgell dde, ond y profiadol Wild rywsyd yn methu o dair llath. Anhygoel. Ar ôl cnocio ar y drws, sawl gwaith sgoriodd y Fflint gyda chi cola ar hanner cyntaf. Alex Jones yn codi'n uwch na neb ac yn penio'n gryf i gefn yr hwyd. Dechreuodd Penrhyw Ceiber yr ail hanner yn berffaith. Gwaith campus gan Luke Morgan i golli ddyn ac i nioni'r sgôr. Y tîm cartra'n gyfartal wedi 5 munud o'r ail hanner. 10 munud yn ddiweddarach ac roedd yr ymwelwyr yn ôl ar y blaen. Tafliad hir nodweddiadol gan Phillips i mewn o'r cwrt, a Mark Cadwaladr yn ymateb yn gynt na neb i sgorio. Cafodd y Fflint gyfla i wneud tîm 2 i'r 5 munud yn ddiweddarach. Y cefnwr ifanc Scott Lewis yn methu delio gyda chyflymder Ben Mar. Rhoddodd Mar y bel ar blant i Jack Kenny, ond darwr Penrhyw Ceiber Daniel Field yn arbed unwaith yn rhagor ac yna Wild a Jones yn methu taro'r targed. Sgoriodd y Fflint y drydedd gyda chwarter awr i fynd. Pas hyfryd gan Ben Mar yn canfod Kenny ac ynta'n llwyddo i guro Field ar y trydydd cynnig. Roedd na un cyfle arall i Field ddangos i ddonia. Y golwr yn arbad ergyd arall gan Mar. Y Fflint drwodd i rown nesa, ond perfformiad dewr gan Penrhyw Ceiber.
Chwarae teg iddyn nhw, maen nhw wedi gwneud diwrnod reit da hon ar gwefannau cymdeithasol nhw dros yr wythnosau diwethaf. Maen nhw wedi bod yn edrych ymlaen at y gêm fawr yma. Mi oedd yn neis iawn i gweld cyn gymaint o cefnogwr ar ochr cae a'r plant bach i'r all ni gwylio'r gêm ac creu awyrgylch bach dda iddyn ni fel chwaraewr ac da ni wedi dod allan efo'r canlyniad positif a dyna di'r peth bwysig i wneud.
Daniel Field's keeper, his man of the match performance for me in my eyes, and he kept us in the game, but disappointing to concede right down half time, which made us make a change half time, which we had the game plan, mess our game plan up a little bit because we wanted to have a go at them, but we wanted to keep them out as long as possible and then try and surprise them with we change a little bit of formation attacking, and it didn't quite work out with that goal just going in before half time.
I thought it was a great occasion. You know, it was great to see the team that we're playing against are obviously we've been ready for this game for a couple of weeks. They've seen the build-up. You know, the whole town or village was out to support it. It was fantastic to see, but we had a job to do. And I thought, you know, we applied ourselves really well in the first half. If we'd have taken our chances, we probably could have edged ourselves away and made it more comfortable for ourselves. And we knew they'd have 10-15 minute spell. They scored. The whole ground came to life, and it made it really difficult for ourselves, but we weathered that storm, came back and pleased with the way we saw the game out.
Oh, you couldn't ask for any more. In fairness, the community all came out around and supported us, and it was superb. In fairness, the atmosphere was, we never experienced that here before, and can't thank them enough.
I think that this team might go from strength to strength over the next few years. It reminded me a little bit of my time at Bristol when we came through the league. So it's nice to see, you know, good places in Wales, good teams in Wales who have that aspiration to try and do well. Now we knew that once we, you know, got our noses in front and maybe created a 2-goal gap, it'd be hard for them to come back. But credit to them, they went till the end, and they fully deserved the day that they got from it.